In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync your Outlook calendar with your Google Calendar for a convenient two-way synchronization. This guide will walk you through everything you need to get your calendar synced effortlessly. Let's dive right in. To kick things off, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head to the website at outlookgooglecalendarsync.com. This is where you'll download a handy tool called Outlook Google Calendar Sync, which will be the bridge that connects your two calendars. Once you're on the site, look for the option to download the tool and follow the instructions to install it on your computer. Once the installation is complete, go ahead and open the app to begin the setup process. Next, let's move on to selecting the calendars you want to sync. In the application, you'll find a tab labeled as Outlook. Here, your default Outlook calendar should already be selected, so you don't need to make any changes unless you specifically want to. Now, switch over to the Google tab within the app. You'll see an option to authenticate, which means you'll need to log in to the Google account that houses the calendar you wish to sync. Once you've logged in and authenticated your account, browse through your Google calendars and select the one you want to synchronize with your Outlook calendar. Keep in mind that this free version only works with the default Outlook calendar, so if you're using any custom calendars, you might need to reconsider which ones you're syncing. After selecting the calendars, it's time to set the sync direction. Navigate to the Sync Options section. Here you'll have the choice to sync from Outlook to Google or from Google to Outlook, whichever suits your needs best. Once you've decided, you can also set the sync frequency. For example, you can arrange it to sync every 10 minutes, ensuring that your events are up to date nearly in real time. If you're looking for a full two-way sync where changes in either calendar are reflected in the other, you'll need to upgrade to the Pro version of the tool. The free version allows single direction syncing and gives you a taste of what's possible. Now that you've configured everything, it's time to start the actual syncing process. Simply click on Start Sync and the tool will begin to work its magic. You'll now find that events from your Outlook calendar will appear on your Google Calendar. Similarly, any changes made on your Google Calendar will reflect back in Outlook, making sure you never miss an important meeting or event. With this setup, managing your calendar across platforms becomes a seamless experience, allowing you to stay organized without any extra hassle. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy your newly synced calendars.